Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rada Anwar, and I am a student from University of Muhammadiyah, Professor Dr. Hamka. In this video, I'm going to explain the finding of my analysis, consisting the instrument, the nature of questionnaire for data collecting method, and also the characteristic of questionnaire. First, I would to explain the instrument. I already found there are construct, subconstruct, indicators, and the scale. First construct is social support exchange, and the subconstruct is providing online social support or POSS and receiving online social support or ROSS. The indicators of providing online social support or POSS are: first, I provide suggestions or feedback when someone in the group posts a question about classroom activity design. And the second is I share my personal experiences on how to deal with difficult students. And the third is I provide positive feedback on posts shared by group members. And the fourth is I help answer questions about specific teaching strategies. And the fifth is I provide feedback that encourages group members to reflect on their teaching practices. Next, the indicators of receiving online social support or ROSS. First, I receive some helpful advice when I post a question about classroom management. Second, I get new ideas for designing classroom activities from group members. Third, I feel appreciated when group members give feedback on my posts. Fourth, I receive positive comments that encourage me to try new teaching methods. And fifth, I get emotional support when I share difficult experiences in the group. And sixth, I learn about new ways to teach certain materials from group members. And seventh, I get the latest information on educational policies or trends through this group. The scale that used is same. That is 5-point Likert scale, with 1 as not true all the time and 5 as true all the time. Okay, next construct is teacher self-efficacy for creative teaching or SECT. And the subconstruct or positive recognition and negative consciousness, and then the insistent thoughts. Let me read for the first subconstruct, that is positive recognition. Or first, I have the skill to give interesting and stimulating lessons. First, I am good at designing lesson plans and classroom activities that inspire students. Third, I am able to guide students in using creative strategies and improving creative thinking. Fourth, I know how to create a lively and pleasant classroom atmosphere by some teaching methods. Fifth, students will be more creative because of creative teaching. Sixth, students will be more creative in solving problems because of my lively teaching methods. And 7, students enjoy my creative teaching a lot. Next, the indicators of negative consciousness. First, creative teaching styles is not suitable to the subject matters I teach. Second, I am concerned about how other teachers might think about me and won't use unusual teaching methods at school. Third, I am not good at using creative teaching methods. Fourth, I have doubts about how to increase student interest in learning after using a variety of teaching methods and auxiliary equipment. Fifth, I can no longer teach students to pursue innovation and change, for they are more inclined to study for examination. And the last subconstruct is insistent thoughts. The indicators are: first, I manage to continue on creative teaching methods despite my school is not in favor of it. Second, I will actively engage in creative teaching even though the overall school climate is not supportive. And the third, no matter how educational policies and environment change, I will stick to using creative teaching methods. And the scale that used is also same but different with the first construct, that is 5-point Likert scale, but consisting totally disagree, neutral, agree, and totally agree. And the next, I want to explain about the nature of questionnaire for data collecting method. This questionnaire using an online survey design to measure the relationship between a participant in online teacher groups and teacher self-efficacy creative teaching. And there are also the characteristic of questionnaire based on this article. First is the platform online that used is a Facebook teacher group to collect demographic data and information about participants' usage habits in Facebook. And this questionnaire consists of close-ended questions using a 5-point Likert scale. And participants independently complete the survey online, ensuring convenience and scalability. And to measure teacher self-efficacy for creative teaching or SECT, measure beliefs about one's ability to engage in creative teaching using a validated 15-item scale developed by Lin and Chow 2008, and providing and receiving online social support or POSS and ROSS using 26 items adapted from a Facebook social support scale by Chung and Chan in 2016. And then, as we know, construct that is measure are self-efficacy for creative teaching or SECT, including a dimension of positive recognition, negative consciousness, and insistent thoughts, and the also online social support, including informational, instrumental, emotional, and appraisal support exchange among group members. And next is the reliability and validity. First, reliability. The scales demonstrate high internal consistency with Cronbach's alpha coefficient of 0.88 for SECT and 0.92 for POSS and 0.94 for ROSS. Then the next is validity. The SECT scale has been previously validated through confirmatory factor analysis, ensuring its construct validity. And the online delivery. This questionnaire shared via link in the Facebook group, facilitating access to a large and geographically dispersed sample. And participants self-select to take a part in the survey without incentives or coercion. And the study specifically focused on elementary school teachers who are members of a large Facebook teacher group in Taiwan. So that's all my explanation about the instrument, nature of questionnaire for the data collecting method, and also the characteristic of questionnaire. I hope that could be understand. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.